In this section, I will show you how to automatically post content to save time and scale your marketing, instead of manually. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the screen, this is the interface of the software, and there are many different features available for you to choose from. Before we start the automatic posting process, you need to prepare two things, your accounts and your content. In the account management section, you can add and manage multiple accounts at the same time. Next, we will move to content management to prepare the content that will be posted. Here you can add text, images, or videos for the software to use when publishing posts. The more content you prepare, the more diverse and natural your posting activity will appear. Once your content is ready, we will go to the post function and select group post to set up automatic posting in Facebook groups. Here you only need to select the content you want to post, choose the groups where you want the accounts to publish posts, or enable automatic select the accounts that will perform the post, the number of accounts that will run simultaneously, and configure the interval between posts so the activity appears more natural. For example, you can set the interval between 15 to 20 seconds, and the software will automatically randomize the timing. After finishing the configuration, simply click Start. The software will then automatically log into your accounts and begin posting content to the groups that your accounts have joined. The entire process runs automatically, and you can monitor everything directly on the screen in real time. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.